When you unbox the CINOART PTB-FI automatic temper, you will receive these items. One is the automatic temper. The second is a screwdriver. It is used to adjust the port filter fork. And here's a little brush with a plastic supporter. They work together to clean the gap between the temper disc and the guide plate. And here is one card. So we can scan the QR code to access the CINOART website to check and watch the videos, to learn how to use PTB-FI. And here's a coffee tray. So we can put it here to save the ground coffee. I will show you how to use all the tools in the next videos. Thank you.